Get your phone and call the law.
Why?
He's about to try to drive, and he's very impaired. That is not safe.
I'm not gonna drive with
Man. Hey, walk over this way. Yeah, walk over this way. Man, dude finna try to drive. Yeah, we don't want you to get hit by that truck. Man, this is crazy. He back out. He back out.
We was out here. I seen you when you walked by the first. I said, "She
He
ain't
back.
paying attention."
He back out.
So what happened? Don't look.
He back out.
I'm not walking across today. Nah, you
Come
can
on.
walk. You can sit
Just stand right there and look at him. Slumped over. Y'all saw him wake up. He put his foot on the brake. Nah, they don't stay over here. Out again. And y'all know me, this ain't staged. This is real. This real. It ain't staged. Hey, they've been sitting out there for 3 hours. Slump. Slump. Look at him. Straight slump. He ain't having no medical emergency, girl. He effed up. Is you serious? Both of them got a medical emergency? Please.
Hey, bro. Good.
Man, come on, man. What?
I was saying, you good?
You all right? Nah, that's a trash can. Say what? Say what? He ain't going nowhere. That truck. Shit, I done stepped in the mud. It's crazy. Man, they been sitting up there for 3 hours. You alright? You bad?
Yeah, just sitting there, I'm sorry.
Okay. We just want to see if you was alright.
Yeah,
Need a jump?
I got jumping cables.
Don't get you some more rest. We'll get you a jump. Get you some more rest. Look like you're tired. You tired? Go get you some more rest. Alright, we'll find somebody with some cables.
I got jump cables.
We'll find some. We'll come back to the truck, alright?
I got jump cables.
We'll find some. We'll find some.
I got jump cables. 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 I got j